Hi guys, let's see if Chrome Autofill is not working. Let's see how to fix this. So what you have to do, you have to just right click on start and click on run. Now you have to go to this path. I have given this path in the description of this video. You can directly copy this path from this video description and just paste it in the address bar of run command box. Now once you have pasted the path, click on OK and you will reach here. Now once you reach here, you have to go inside the default folder and scroll down and find login data and login data journal. Okay, just delete these two files. Okay, just delete these two files. Okay, and after that restart your Chrome again. Okay, before doing this you must close the Chrome browser before doing this, and after that open the Chrome browser again and your problem will be fixed. Now if this problem does not get fixed, let's move to method 2. Let's move to method 2, and that is just click on these three vertical dots, click on settings. Now click on turn off. Check this option, clear bookmark history, password and more from this device. Click on turn off, and once you turn it off, close the Chrome browser, open again, and then log in to your account again, and it will ask you to sync again. Now Chrome Autofill, test Chrome Autofill feature and it will work. That's it guys. Please do like the video to support us, and thanks for watching.